Good morning, students. So, how are you? I hope all are good. Yes. So, what we were studying? We were studying new chapter of EVS, that was our universe, and we have studied in the last class about the universe, the stars and the constellation. So, let's revise fast. For that, you have to take out first your semester book. Open page number 184. Open page number 184 and take a pencil in your hand. Okay? Take it out fast. Open this page. Yes. And we'll start doing it. Till here we have finished. Till constellation we have read and we'll read after this. Okay? So first let's recall what we have studied in the last class. Okay? 3 things we have studied. So we have studied about the universe. So what was universe? Universe was empty space around the earth. An empty space around the earth which consists of sun, moon and stars. All these 3 things were there in the empty space and many other things also. Okay. So that is the universe. And we have studied about the stars. So what is a star? There are so many stars. They have their own light. They are very far away from us. And one more thing, sun is also a star. Okay. Next, we have studied about constellation. Now, what is a constellation? Constellation is a group of stars forming a pattern. Okay, very easy. And can you name one famous constellation? Yes, you can name it. Yes, Ursa Major. Yes. So, you remember what we have studied. Now, let's read further and understand what is the next topic. Okay? So, let's see. Now, there is a picture that we are going to study. Next is planets. So, everybody knows something or the other about a planet. So, which is our planet? Yes, you know that. Our planet is Earth. Everybody knows it. Okay. And how many planets are there? 8. Very good. If you know it, very good. You should know the names also. Let's see. What are the names? First is the sun. Okay. All these planets are moving around the sun. Okay. Sun is the center and all the other planets are moving around the sun. Okay. You should know that. Sun is there. Okay. So, first planet is Mercury. You should learn like this. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. First, Pluto was also there. Now, it has been removed. So, there are 8 planets. Those who have given the planets answer as 9. That was wrong. Now, there are 8 planets. So, you should know the names of it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. There are 8 planets and they move around the sun. So, let's see. Planets. Now, what are planets? Let's read and then we'll understand more. Planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Earth is a planet. It moves around the sun, which is a star. We have studied sun is a star. You already know this. Most other stars have their own planets moving around them. Planets do not have their light of their own. They get light and heat from the star. Now what they are saying? Planets, they do not have their own light. Like our planet is Earth. Our planet does not have its own light. Where do we get light from? Very good. We get light from the sun. So sun is a star. So they are saying planets get light from the stars. Okay. So you have to remember that sun is a star and we get light from stars. Okay. So no planet has its own light. Okay. So let's read. The heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun are known as planets. So now you know, I have already told you, planets revolve. Revolve means घूमते. Okay. They revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets. Yes, we have counted and we have seen 8 planets in our solar system. They do not produce their own light. And planets, they do not have their own light. We have read that also. Now what it is written? Our planet is the Earth. This is our planet. We have studied in the last chapter. How does our planet looks like? Yes, it looks like bluish green in color. Why? Because 2/3 it has water and 1/3 land. We have studied that now? Yes. So now you can see the picture from the above. From satellite we have taken this picture. So Earth looks like this. Okay. The only planet out of 8 planets where life exists is our Earth. Now what they are saying? Out of all the 8 planets which we have seen, this is the only planet. Earth is the only planet where life is there. Okay, where life is there, they are saying that. On other planets there is no life. Next. So now you know about planets. Yes, there are 8 planets and you should learn the names of it. Next one, come to the next part, last part of this. Satellites. Now what are satellites? Heavenly body objects that move around the planets are called satellites. The satellite of our planet Earth is Moon. The Moon moves around the Earth. Now they are saying heavenly objects that move around the planet. Now first they have told that Sun is there and planets are moving around the Sun. Now what they are saying? Planets are there and something is moving around the planet also. Now that something that is moving around the planet is called as satellite. Okay, so this is the picture of Earth and this is its satellite and its name is Moon. What is its name? Moon. So heavenly objects that move around the planets are known as satellites. Moon is the satellite of the Earth. This is Moon and this is the satellite of the Earth. Moon moves around the Earth. Now you need to understand this, like this is the what? This is Earth and this is Moon. This Moon is moving around the Earth. Earth ke aaju baaju this Moon is moving and this Earth is moving around the here if Sun is there, okay, if Sun is there, this Earth is moving around the Sun. Okay. Now you understood what I am trying to say. This is Sun. Earth is moving around the Sun. Earth घूम रहा है इसके आजू-बाजू. Okay. And this is Moon. Moon is moving around this Earth. अपने Earth के आजू-बाजू Moon घूम रहा है. Okay. Yes. That I am trying to say. Now let's check further. Now what they are saying. Last part. Come to the solar system. Yes. A star with its planet and their satellites forms a family. The solar system is made up of sun and everything that travels around it. It has the Earth, 7 planets and their satellites. Now, you also have your family in the same way. The heavenly bodies also have a family and its name is solar system. Now, what comes in this solar system? In solar system, all the planets come. Okay, all the planets come and their satellites also come. We have studied what is satellite? Anything that moves around the planet. Okay, so a star with its planet and their satellites form a family. Now they are saying a star. So Sun is a star and its planet. All the planets are moving around the Sun and their satellites also. Like Earth's satellite is Moon. So Moon also. And other planets also have satellites. Okay. So they all form a family together and it is known as solar system. So the Sun and the planets together form the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, this we have studied. And next paragraph, star, dust and gases form a large group called galaxy. Now solar system is a small group. Okay, so now they are saying stars, all the stars and dust and all the gases that are there, they form a large group, much more larger than the solar system, and its name is given as galaxy. So our solar system belongs to a galaxy called Milky Way. So there are different galaxies. Okay, in the universe there are so many different galaxies, and our galaxy name is the Milky Way. Our galaxy name is the Milky Way. Okay. Here you can see the sun is the center of our solar system. Sun is center. Sun बीच में आता है. The planets are there. Planets and their moons and other rocks and gases all orbit around the sun. Means all the planets and gases are there around the sun. Okay. And what is a galaxy? This is a picture of a galaxy. Okay. So here you can see galaxy has so many stars. It has so many stars. It has dust. Okay. So these form a galaxy, and there are so many galaxies in the universe. So our solar system belongs to a galaxy known as the Milky Way. What is the name of our galaxy? Milky Way is the name of our galaxy. Okay. So there are over 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. So here you can see there are so many billion of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Okay. And our solar system also belongs to this galaxy. So if you see in the universe there are so many other galaxies also. Our galaxy is this Milky Way. There are so many other galaxies also. So you cannot say the universe is small. The universe is very big. Okay. So last paragraph and then we'll finish. There are many galaxies in the universe. Now you can imagine how big the universe is. Now you should imagine yourself how big this universe is. Okay. So let's recall what we have studied today. Till here what we have learned. Let's recall. It's very easy. You should know the terms. Okay. What is the meaning of term? New terms which we have studied, and you should know the spellings also. Like the Milky Way, galaxies, constellation. Okay, all these words, new words you have learned, you should learn the spellings of it. Let's start. First what we have learned was the universe. What is universe? It is the space, empty space around the earth, which consists of sun, moon, stars. Everything will come in this. Okay, you remember this. Okay, now what are stars? Stars are, there are so many stars. Okay, they are very far away from us. They are made up of gases. Very good. They have their own light, and sun is also a star. And what does sun give us? Very important. Heat and light, so that we can live. Next, what we have studied? Constellation. Now what was constellation? It was a stars that make a pattern. It was a group of stars that make a pattern in the sky. Okay. What are planets? Planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Heavenly bodies जो sun के आजू बाजू घूम रहे हैं, they are planets. Satellites. What are satellites? Satellites are bodies that move around the planet. Now satellites, they are the heavenly bodies which move around the planet. And which is the satellite of Earth? Moon. Very good. Now next term is the solar system. How many planets are there? There are 9 planets or 8 planets. Yes, there are 8 planets. You should know the name of all the 8 planets. And which is the center of the solar system? The sun. Okay, sun and the things that travel around it. Sun and all the things that travel around it, it consists of the solar system. Now what is a galaxy? In galaxy, all the stars, dust and all the gases will come. Which is our galaxy? The Milky Way. Okay? All these things you should remember. And if you are having any trouble, just read once again. It is very easy, not difficult to understand. Okay? So, read this lesson 2 times. So, you should able to tell me if I ask you what is a satellite. So, you should remember, satellite, kya tha? It was moon. Okay? Earth satellite, moon. Satellite are things that move around the planet. As soon as I ask, you should be able to tell what is a galaxy. Okay, you should know. So, main things you should know. And from that only, multiple choice questions will come. Okay, because I'll give the options in such a way that you will get confused. Okay, so kindly read the chapter 2 times and learn all the difficult new words. Okay, have a good day, children. God bless you.